How to change the lock screen profile picture on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change lock screen profile picture on Windows. So let's get started. First, as you have to just search for the lock screen settings on your Windows, simply at the bottom left in the source field, search for lock screen. After you find for lock screen settings, click on that. Now from the lock screen section, you'll have to choose for the picture like whenever it shows for Windows Spotlight, simply select picture. After that, you can select the recent image whom you want to add on your Windows. Like where you can also add or browse the picture from your PC. For that, click on Browse Photos. And from here, you can as usual select your picture whom you want to add on that. Simply select and click on Choose Picture. After that, that image will be added on your recent image. Simply click on that. After that, your Windows profile lock screen will be changed. Whenever you lock your Windows and try to log in with your password, you'll be able to see that Windows lock screen picture. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.